Tonight is special because we host for the first time in China the global premiere of a new car, the all-new A-Class Sedan.
The new A-Class generation is at least as dynamic and sporty as the previous one. It's more comfortable, so it has a fantastic chassis. But clearly the most important part of this new A-Class is the interior. There's specifically the MBUX and the possibility to have with natural language communication with your car and basically tell him all your wishes. In some situations even the car knows before you tell it what you want, and I'm totally convinced about a stunning success for this vehicle in the market.